We're here with Robyn with the Special Projects Unit for HGTV Inside Out show.
That's right.
So it's great to meet you, Robyn. It's been a pleasure working with you and you just getting to see some of your projects. Tell us a little bit about how you came across this hardware and what you think of it.
Well, I was looking for a laterally opening door system for this secret room build we're doing for Inside Out. And a lot of the stuff that I was finding wasn't exactly what I was looking for. We had a really limited space. We needed something compact and hidden. And we didn't want any tracks on the floor that people could trip over when they're coming in. And the MFU 1200 totally fit the bill for what we were looking to do here. And I was searching online, looking around, like I had said, I found a few different things, but none of them were like this. And I came across your website and I was sold. So I pitched it to the show and we all got in touch and it was great.
And the rest is history, huh?
That's right, yeah.
Nice.
So the nice part about this build is we actually got to build the wall. So the 7/7/8 header, we knew we were going to do that to begin with because you have to have a little bit of extra room for the track. So we planned ahead for that. When we did frame the center wall, you have to make sure it's thinner. There's plenty of room up here for both tracks to run. The build was remarkably easy, to be honest with you. This hardware is super user-friendly. It went in really without a hitch. There were a couple of small adjustments, but once we kind of got into it and looked at the hardware system itself and these hangers, they're so adjustable. Up, down, lateral, forward, back, you can kind of do everything. And there's locking nuts so they stay in place real good once you get them exactly where you want. It was really a pleasure to work with them. This is the very first one we've ever installed with my company here, and we just got it in about an hour ago. But
that's smooth.
So smooth. It's so nice. And once we get all that trimmed out, you won't even be able to see it's there.
Oh, we can't wait to see the final product.
Yeah, I'm excited to show it off.
So what's in the future for any future projects that you think you might be using Sugatsune for?
Oh my goodness. Well, now that I've found you guys, I'm anything. Like, your hardware is amazing. It's so nice, so smooth. It's intuitive. So if we're doing kitchen cabinets, any kind of doors, outward opening, lateral doors, they save so much room because this room we're standing in is actually going to be the dining room. So because you see we have both of these doors here. One side is going to be a little wet bar, one side is going to have a turntable set up in it with all those records. But the dining room table is going to come out to about here, so we didn't want to have doors that we're going to open up into the room in case people are going to be eating, you know? And so yeah, now that I know you guys make all this really custom cool stuff, I can't wait to play with more of it.